This video is going to just be an introduction on how to read my patterns. Every designer makes patterns a little differently. Mine, I like to tell you about the chart size. I always use US crochet terminology. This is just a tiny chart because this is just a tiny pattern. It's just a little tiny square. My gauge gets 5 inches by 5 inches. I could show you with the measuring tape, but I don't think I will right now. And my key is going to be essentially the same as what people use, but I might word things a little differently. So it is handy if you're new to my patterns to just give it a look over so you know what to expect. And I have this little thing here, YouTube tutorial. That's what we're making right now. I'm going to walk you through making this whole square. So important things to note is where you can find my information. These 3 steps here, I'll put that in the video. This I have step 1 as a separate video and step 2 and 3 as another video. So we're going to start our, not this video, but the next video is going to start here. This wrong side, I have it written here, wrong side facing you, accent color to back, and you can see it's on every, tells you which way it's going. But it doesn't matter if the wrong side or the right side is facing you. Whichever your side you're looking at that moment, these front and backs refer to. So don't get confused between the right side and the wrong side, the front and the back stitches, and also accent color to the back and accent color to the front. That's whatever you're looking at. Put it away from you or towards you. I do have this handy little picture. Just to remind you when you're doing other patterns, this one not so much because I have a whole video to go with it, but this is how the tail goes in. So this one might help as well up here. When you're making 10 windows, that will give you 11 main color bars. And because the accent color is inside, you only get 10 bars on the inside. And this information, chain 21, that's the same as our chart. Our chart size belongs there. And whatever, because the chart has to have the double crochet plus the chain spaces, it's always halved to get your windows. Not necessarily helpful information. Depends how deep you want to go. I know a lot of you have mentioned trying to make your own squares, so maybe that will help you.